Guys, it's Marie with WTI. I got this weight rack and it keeps my home gym space so much more organized. If you have small weights, they will not fit in the holders, but there's a top part that is perfect for storing them. Then, when you're ready to get the bigger weights, you can grab them from each compartment and start using those for exercise. No more weights on the floor or losing your weights. You can just grab them and just make sure you put them back. It's also good for a medium size weight. Once you grab those, you can just exercise, do your thing, put them back, and like I said, organization. So if you're sick of tripping over weights like I was, sick of losing your weights because they're not in one place, I would definitely highly recommend this product. And that's my point of view.